What if your next data breach doesn't come from hackers? What if it comes from your own employees, using AI tools behind your back? Right now, inside thousands of companies across Southeast Asia, employees are uploading financial reports, customer databases, internal strategies into public AI systems. No approval, no monitoring, no security control. This is called shadow AI, and it might already be inside your organization. Part 1. What is shadow AI? Shadow AI is the use of artificial intelligence tools inside a company without official authorization, governance, or visibility. It happens when an employee pastes sensitive data into ChatGPT, a marketing team uses AI to analyze customer data, a developer connects internal APIs to an AI model, a manager uses AI to draft strategic plans. All with good intentions, but zero security oversight. It's not malicious, it's convenient, and that's exactly why it's dangerous. Part 2. Why it's exploding in ASEAN. AI adoption in Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore is accelerating rapidly. Companies want productivity, employees want speed, leadership wants innovation, but governance is lagging behind. Most enterprises implemented firewalls, endpoint detection, email security, network monitoring. None of these were designed to monitor AI usage. So while leadership believes everything is under control, AI tools are quietly becoming a new data exit channel. Part 3. The real risks. Let's break down what can actually go wrong. 1. Data leakage. When employees upload confidential information to public AI systems, that data may be stored, logged, or processed externally. You lose control of your intellectual property. 2. Compliance violations. If personal data is exposed to third-party AI systems, you may violate data protection regulations. This is especially critical for financial services, healthcare, government, and enterprise corporations. 3. Model manipulation. If internal AI systems are connected without proper controls, attackers can exploit them through prompt injection or data poisoning. AI becomes an entry point. 4. Invisible access. AI agents can act on behalf of users. If they are not verified, logged, and monitored, you may not even know what decisions are being made. Shadow AI creates identity without visibility, and that is a security nightmare. Part 4. Why traditional security fails. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your firewall cannot see AI usage inside a browser. Your antivirus cannot verify AI identity. Your network monitoring cannot detect data pasted into an AI chat. Because the new perimeter is no longer your network. The new perimeter is identity, data, and trust. And if you don't control those 3 things, you don't control your AI risk. Part 5. How enterprises should respond. Shadow AI cannot be solved by banning AI. It must be governed. Here's what modern enterprises need. AI usage visibility across departments, clear data classification policies, machine and AI identity verification, encrypted communications, secure email authentication, zero trust implementation, and 24/7 monitoring through a security operations center. AI must operate inside a trusted architecture, not outside of it. When AI becomes infrastructure, security must also become infrastructure. Shadow AI is not a future risk. It's already here, and the companies that act early will lead the AI era securely. If you found this valuable, share this with your IT team or leadership group, because chances are someone inside your organization is already using AI tools without visibility. Subscribe for more deep dives on AI security, enterprise risk, and digital trust. In the age of AI, visibility is power.